course, you've got to have a seam ripper and a little brush here that's going to help us with basic maintenance. Now, when it comes to the 3160, all of these accessories are included, but there's a few more, and that's because there's a little box included called the Quilting Attachment box, and in there you're going to find several more feet to be able to do quilting on your own sewing machine, which is pretty dang cool. So, for example, we've got a walking foot. How great is that? Now, with a walking foot, you always will have nice even feed, especially when it comes to having, thicker fabrics, or whether you've got like a quilt sandwich going on where you have the bottom and the batting and the top. And so by having feed dogs on the top of your fabric, as well as the feed dogs in addition to what's on the bed of the machine, this is what's going to help pull those layers in simultaneously, nice and even, and really have a great outcome by using the walking foot. You also have the open toe quilting foot included in that, and this is going to be great for being able to do free motion quilting. Also, this is a foot that you want to use when it comes to darning. One of my favorite feet happens to be the open toe F2 foot. Now, this is going to be awesome when it comes to doing not only decorative stitches, but where I really like to use it is when I'm doing blanket stitching. Gives me a really good view of where I'm going and nothing else is in the way. So a definite favorite foot of mine is the F2. Another favorite foot would be the 1/4 inch foot. I love this one when it comes to piecing my quilts, because if I turn over to the back side, you're also going to see the little black plastic flange that comes to the outside. So what that allows me to do is, as I'm sewing my pieces, if my needle is right where, it needs to be right here in the center, it's going to be exactly 1/4 inch away from the side. I now have something to butt up my pieces against and have a perfect 1/4 inch seam every time. Something that we all love around here is this quilting guide bar. And this is going to be really nice for if you're doing grid line quilting or straight line quilting. And this is just easily installed in conjunction with your walking foot. You're just going to place it up here and just snap it into place just like that. And now you can move that guide bar back and forth, and we'll do a little exercise on what that exactly means. But you can use it in conjunction with this foot as well as, with other feet when we place this inside the ankle of our sewing machine. Now, you may look at this little funny contraption and wonder, what in the world is this? Well, don't worry. I'll take you step by step on how to install this on your machine. But this is going to be your guide, which is also really nice for being able to butt up seams against that edge. Just another way of being able to get really great straight piecing. For those of you who have purchased the 3160, this is the extension table that comes with it. And it's really nice. All you have to do is just flip these up, and then you'll remove the free arm from your machine and be able to install that. And I'll show you how to do that here in just a minute. But I love the fact that we've got a measuring guide right here on the bed of the machine as well. It's in both inches and centimeters. And finally, another addition to the Janome 3160 is that you have the nice hard case that goes right over top of the machine. You'll notice that there's an opening here for the handle, makes it really quite handy when it comes to taking your machine out to different places or just being able to store it in a protective environment. Now on the 2030, you do have a soft vinyl case, but on the 3160, you have a hard case.